Hello boys and girls, welcome to this presentation. In this presentation we're going to talk about 3.4, circumference of circle. Question 7. In this question, for each circle work out the circumference of the whole circle and then the fraction of the whole circle shown in yellow and then the arc length of this part of the circle. And we need to round the number to one decimal place. Now let's start with the first part, finding the circumference of the whole circle. Now, for circle A, as you can see here, we have this 8 centimeter as a diameter. So the radius will be what? Very good. It's going to be 4. Good job. Now, when you find the circumference of circle, you have to write the formula. The formula of circumference of circle is what? It's 2 pi r. Good. Now, 2 multiplied by pi, which is 3.14, and multiplied by the radius, which is, 4 centimeters. Multiplied by 4. Good job. Now, to multiply this, we're going to use the calculator. Let's go to the calculator. 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by pi, which is 3.14, equals 25.12. Now, when we round 25.12 to the first decimal number, it's going to be 25.1. Very good. Now, let's go write it. So the answer will be 25.12 centimeters. So this is the first part of the question, finding the circumference of the whole circle. The second part was finding the fraction of the whole circle shown in yellow. So he wants the circumference of this fraction. So the fraction, how do we find it? We said that the circumference of the whole circle is 25.12. The fraction of the whole circle shown in yellow, he wants the circumference, of course. Now, because all of this is 25.12 and this is half a circle, so we divide 25.12 on 2. We will get the arc length, which is the part or the half part of the circle. Now, let's take 25.12 and divide it by 2, so we get the arc length. So the arc length will be from here till here. So when you divide the whole circumference on 2, you will get only the arc length, which is the outside. After that, you will find, after finding the arc length, you will add it to the whole diameter to find the circumference of the shape. First, let's divide 25.12 on 2. 25.12 on 2. Let's use the calculator. So the answer, we divided on 2, equals 12.56. So 12.56. Let's write it here. 12.56. 12.56 is the length from here till here, which is the arc outside. The arc length of the part of the circle is 12.56. We divided this on 2 because it's half a circle. But in this circle, we're going to divide it on 4. Very good. Because it's quarter of a circle. Now, after dividing on 2, we add the diameter, which is this one. 8 centimeters to this part. So we add 8, and it will equal 20.56. 56 centimeter. Now this part is 20.56 is what? Very good. It's the perimeter of half a circle, A. The same idea with circle B. You find the whole perimeter or circumference using this formula, and after finding the whole perimeter or the whole circumference, you divide it on 4 because this circle is divided into 4s. So you divide on 4 to find the arc length, which is this one. And then you add this 7 and this 7 to it to finally find the circumference of the whole shape. And after that, you round it to the first decimal place. And this is how you answer a question like this. You can do the same for circle B. Find the whole circumference, divide it on 4, and then add the diameter to it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.